Kia ora, it's your boy Michael and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to share with you how you'll replace your driver's license here in New Zealand. Because I went to this place where they need my verification or my proof of identification, and sadly I can't find it anywhere. Like, I've looked everywhere, asked my friends or whoever or wherever I went, I've tried to check it and I can't find it. I've decided to now it's a time for me to get another replacement of my New Zealand driver's license. It is very important, especially if you're driving here in New Zealand, to have a driver's license, because the moment police will stop you and ask for your proof of identification, you really need to provide your driver's license, and if not, you will be fined. And for someone who's not yet a resident like me, it is very important because it's going to be a record if you're going to be applying for your residency. And if you do have like a record, this might impact not getting approved of your residency. So it's really important for you to get a replacement and to report immediately that you've lost your driver's license. You can either do it AA or VTNZ, and you can also do it online. Link would be down below on how to do it, but for me I opted to choose VTNZ because it's basically like less than 10 minutes away from my place. There are some things that you need to bring if you're gonna go to VTNZ, which is one is your proof of identification. Another thing is a proof of address. You can use your bank account, power bill, or phone bills online. So that being said, let's go. First, safety. By the way, I forgot. I'm not sure how much it would be, but I think it would be 36, less than $40. So that's one thing that you also need to bring, your money. Let's go. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but anyway, I'm just gonna plug something called Urban Eyes. It's an online store where you can purchase some chains, bracelets, pendants, watches, rings, or grills if you're into that. These are started with precious stones, and this is also where I got these two bracelets that I have, the silver, and the other one is more of a thick gold with stones as well. And if you're interested in these kinds of jewelries, please do visit their website. It's shopurbanice.com. Link on the description box below. You can also use my coupon code or my discount code, which gives 25% on the total purchase using my code. Okay, so basically just arrived here at the VTNZ shop, which is basically this building in here. I got it. This is just, as you can see, this temporary New Zealand driver's license. So if the license hasn't arrived yet at my place, before that I need to call this number. Okay, so this is good to go. Again, I appreciate every one of you. You guys are the reason why I keep on doing videos. It's been a while that I haven't posted any video, but anyway, hope to see you next one. And again, this is your boy Michael. See you on my next video. Bye. Finally, I got my license. I can now definitely throw away the temporary license that I had before. Hopefully you find this video helpful. It's just a way for me to share how easy it is actually to replace the driver's license here in New Zealand. And hopefully you guys don't have to go through this, because it's not really good. It's still a money that you shell out instead of you buying food or whatever. It's more important. So you need to take care of your stuff. Like me, I've lost it, so it's really my fault. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe button and notification bell. Just like this video, share to your friends as well. Hopefully they will be able to find this video helpful. Again, see you in my next video. Bye.